Rainwater harvesting upgrades for new home construction can cut potable water use and supply reliable irrigation with the right design choices. Start by sizing the system using roof catchment area and local rainfall data to estimate seasonal yield, multiplying roof area in square feet by average annual rainfall in inches, and then by a conversion factor to get gallons, and design storage to meet irrigation demand for dry periods. Use gutters and downspout size to convey heavy storm flows and route to a cistern or multiple rain barrels placed on stable, level bases. Include first flush diverters and simple sediment filters to protect water quality for irrigation, and add a pressure or gravity-fed distribution line with a shutoff valve and quick connect hose fittings for easy use. Plan overflow routing to a safe dispersal area or storm drain to prevent foundation saturation, and add a freeze protection strategy such as draining exposed lines, insulating tanks, or placing tanks below frost line where feasible. Select materials rated for potable contact if there is any chance of indoor use, and use opaque tanks to limit algae growth. Document the system in the home construction plans, and verify setback and permitting requirements so the installation is compliant with local regulations. 3 common mistakes are undersizing storage, which causes frequent depletion, poor debris management that clogs downspouts and contaminates tanks, and neglecting overflow and freeze protection, which can damage foundations and plumbing. Fix undersizing by calculating seasonal demand and adding modular tanks so capacity can be increased later. Prevent debris issues with gutter guards and accessible sediment sumps for routine cleaning. And address overflow and freeze risks by installing routed overflow lines to safe discharge points and using passive drainage or thermostatically controlled heat trace for exposed lines. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like rainwater, harvesting upgrades, and our listings help people find local professionals for installation and materials. We host a discussion community where we and other users share installation tips, local regulation experiences, and contractor recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors find work and build trusted relationships.